Karachi, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia will maintain close contact on recent regional developments including US-Iran tensions and President Trump's Middle East peace plan, the Foreign Office said on Saturday. The understanding was reached during a telephonic conversation between Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi and his Saudi counterpart Faisal bin Farhan, FO spokesperson Aisha Faruqui said in statement. Tensions have increased between Tehran and Washington since the United States killed top Iranian military commander Qasem Soleimani in a drone strike in Baghdad on January 3, prompting the Islamic Republic to retaliate with a missile strike against a U.S. base in Iraq. President Trump has also proposed the creation of a Palestinian state with a capital on the outskirts of Jerusalem and termed the proposal "deal of the century." The plan was outrightly rejected by both Iran and Palestine. The two foreign ministers reaffirmed the strategic importance of the Pakistan-Saudi Arabia relationship and reiterated the shared resolve to deepen bilateral cooperation in diverse fields, read today's FO statement. Foreign Minister Qureshi, during the conversation, also appreciated Saudi Arabia's steadfast support for the Kashmir cause, including as a key member of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) contact group on Jammu and Kashmir. Views were exchanged on working together to advance the Kashmir cause, including from the OIC platform, Faruqui maintained. Earlier this month, Saudi Arabia had barred an Iranian delegation from an OIC meeting in Jeddah, where Trump's Middle East plan was to be discussed, indicating bitterness in the bilateral relations between the two regional rivals. On Wednesday, Iranian ambassador to Pakistan Mohammad Ali Hosseini suggested that countries such as Iran, Pakistan, Turkey, Russia and China have the potential to form a new alliance for a better future in the region.